Fine. I requested you to revise all these chapters and come today. Have you finished? Are you comfortable? Fine. Now today we are moving to the next chapter, static members. As part of static members chapter, you have to learn these many topics. Okay, static variable, variable shadowing, static method, business logic and initialization logic development by using static method, modularity, static block, and next a single class and multiple classes execution flow, and right. So let's start static members chapter. These are the syllabus we need to learn. And guys, I wanted to let you know, be careful of, again, offline classes market started. So then there are so many people who are coming with free courses. And there is a great blunder news is there. The person who don't know how to teach core Java also is teaching Spring Boot microservices high-end course. Don't be fall in the trap. Understand? So you want best career, then choose best faculties. Don't worry about doing the payment. Okay, if you fall under the trap of free, then your life is going to be spoiled. Okay, see the faculty experience, how many batches he covered. Now you are trying, you are entered into a big competition world. Don't run behind the word free. So just run behind the faculty experience, what technologies he was teaching, what technology is now teaching. So all these things verify and then take decision. Don't be fall under the trap of free courses. Is it clear? And never ever promote free courses. Okay, be careful, be careful, be careful. Okay, so as your well-wisher, I am telling, okay, I'm not opposing of any institute. If the institute is offering free course by best faculty, let's say our Naresh IT is offering free course for web services and design patterns. These are the trending courses, right? These are not the outdated courses. These are the trending courses, and the faculties are the best in the industry, not only Amirpet. Okay, complete complete best faculty members. These are working for many years teaching Java, right? And many, they produce many software engineers who are successfully working and getting high salary package in the companies. If that type of faculties are providing free courses, I only promote, no doubt in that. They are belongs to any institute, I only promote it. So now the people are promoting, you know, Spring Boot, microservices, real-time project with .NET faculties. They teach .NET. Okay, HTML, JavaScript, .NET, C Sharp, .NET, they teach those technologies. Now they are coming to Java to teach. Even they don't know, you know, how to develop a Hello World application. They're telling in core Java, import java.lang.star, we should write to develop Hello World application. Okay, so be careful. Don't entertain there. Don't go there. Don't waste your time. Time is money. Time is value in this pandemic time, right? So spend your time wisely. Don't misguide by the people. Okay, be careful. So come to the subject, static members and their execution flow. What is static member? Why static member? What are the rules of static? What is static keyword? Why static keyword? Rules of static keyword. What is a static member and why static member? What the different members exist in Java and their purpose? Okay, first, and where can we create static members? First, let us try to complete these 4 points quickly. Today class will take these 4 points. We need to write some notes also. Are you ready to write notes? These points are not there in material. Okay, we need to write some notes also. All right, let's start the topic. And tell me, what is static, why static, and rules of static? And tell me now, the keyword static is a modifier keyword. Okay, the keyword static is a modifier keyword. It is an execution level modifier keyword. It is used for providing only one copy memory to the variable and allows us to access fields and methods without creating an object. Okay, again repeating, the keyword static is a modifier keyword. It is an execution level modifier keyword. This keyword static instructs compiler and JVM to allow us to access a variable or method without creating object. Again repeating, it instructs compiler and JVM. I wanted to write that point, missed it here. It instructs compiler and JVM to allow us to access a field. Field means class level variable, no? A field or a method without field, comma, method and inner class without creating object of the enclosing class. Okay, let me move the statement here. Okay, now you need to write this statement here. The keyword static is allowed only to class members. It is meant for declaring a variable. It is meant for declaring a variable or a method or inner class which are belongs to class to access without creating object. Tell me, uh, the keyword static is allowed only to class members. They are fields, blocks, methods, and inner class. Okay, from Java 5 version onwards, we are allowed to apply to import statement also. And tell me, the keyword static is not allowed to module, because by default module has one copy. Package by default has one copy. Outer class by default has one copy. Constructor should execute with object. Abstract method should execute with the object. Parameter, local variable, local block, local inner class. These belongs to method, must execute with method. So the members which are can be executed with the class, those members only can be declared as a static. So this is the first statement you should know. What is static, why static, and rules in using static keyword. The keyword static is a modifier keyword. Which kind of modifier? It is an execution level modifier keyword. Then what it is telling, it instructs the compiler and JVM to allow us to access a field, method, and inner access and execute. Okay, access and execute. Execution level modifier. Let me use that, access and execute a field, method, and inner class without creating object of the enclosing class. Hope you understand all these points. Please write on this slide as it is. We'll write some programs on this topic. First you write theory. Guys, completed? Shall we go to next point? Shall we see the programming section? Now look at here. Okay, look at here. Respond fast, okay? When I ask question, is it completed? Respond fast, okay? I'm giving 1 minute time to respond. Is it completed? After that, I'm waiting. After I removing, if you respond, how can I bring it back? Again, confusion. Huh? Puja, I'll show it. Wait. Look at here. Class example I have written. Is this a variable? What variable? Static or non-static? It is non-static. M1 method is static or non-static? Non-static. Now I want to access this a variable M1 method inside main method. Is it allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Compiler throw error. Okay. Compiler throw error. Variable A cannot be accessed. Variable M1 method cannot access. Non-static variable A cannot be referenced from static context. Non-static variable method M1 cannot be accessed from main method. Okay, why? Because main method is static, they are non-static. Then I want to instruct the compiler and JVM allow this M1 method and a variable access directly by their name without creating object. For that purpose, I must use execution level modifier static. The moment I use static, now there is no compile time error. So when I run Java C example.java, compiled it successfully, Java example executed, and tell me first step, whenever I run Java example, what happened? Java command creates a JVM and method area, heap area, Java stacks area. Are you visualizing, my dear Gajnis? Yesterday class forgot or remember? Then Java command. Then with the help of class loader subsystem, example class bytecode is loaded into JVM. So complete class from first line to last line loaded into where? Method area. Then after loading, linking phase started. In linking phase, verification completed. And the next preparation phase. In the preparation phase, main method executed. Up to now, all you people are having a thought. Whenever we run a class, main method executed. Now it's the time you need to correct your mind. Before main method, linking phase is there. In the linking phase, okay, people are thinking like this. Directly go to, especially North Indians, go to main method, access a variable, go here, read a value 10, display on the console. This is wrong idea. So this is wrong idea. Control will not come to main method directly. First, in linking phase, a variable memory allocated with default value 0. Then in initialization phase, static block executed, a variable 0 replaced with 10. Now execution phase, main method started. Okay, na? Then SOPL and A value reading from declaration from memory. What the value? 10 displayed. Then M1 method executed. Tell me, this M1 method logic is available in method area, and from method area, M1 method logic loaded into Java stacks area by creating separate stack frame, logic executed, output displaying M1. Is everyone able to visualize JVM architecture? Control come back and program execution completed. Okay. So I want you write two programs side by side. Below program explains problem without static keyword. Right on this program. Below program explains Below program explains problem without static keyword. Okay, hope you understand. Next, if I apply static keyword to class, to the constructor, to the method allowed, to the parameter, to the local variable, compiler will throw error. Modifier static not allowed here, modifier static not allowed here, modifier static not allowed here. Inside method if you use, we'll get compile time error, illegal start of expression. Okay. Also you can take here static, open bracket, closed bracket. This is a local block, cannot declare static. Static class A, open bracket, closed bracket. It's an inner class inside a method, not allowed. Please add this them also. Add on this one. Static keyword not allowed. Below program shows. Better write on this program. It has more parts. Outer class, outer interface, outer enum, outer annotation. Okay, not allowed. Then constructor not allowed, parameter not allowed, local variable not allowed. Close bracket here. This is local block. Local inner class. Modifier static not allowed here. Don't see there and don't ask question. Just look at error. What the error? Static. What is static modifier? Modifier static not allowed here. Type this program in your system, you will get errors now. not constant. I'll go next point. Now tell me all these one show, I'm ready to show you. Already programs are typed. Static, removing static keyword, removing static keyword, you will get compile time error. Non-static variable cannot be referenced from a static context. Non-static method M1 cannot be referenced from a static context. Now applying static keyword. Now it is allowed because it has memory accessed and executed output coming 10 and M1. Static keyword not allowed to what? To the package not allowed, to the interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum, annotation, outer. These are all the outer classes not allowed. Now inside a class, constructor not allowed, abstract method. Hope we missed abstract method. Can you please add abstract method in class? Here you write. Abstract method. Abstract method not allowed. To the parameter not allowed, local variable not allowed, static block and inner class also not allowed. Class or interface or enum expected. To the package static not allowed. Next error. Modifier static not allowed here, not allowed here, not allowed here. Where? To the parameter not allowed. Illegal start of expression to the local variable not allowed. Okay, now I am commenting them or removing it. There I cannot comment, removing, commenting. Next, now we got illegal start of expression for static block, commenting. Next, illegal start of expression for inner class, commenting. Next, now we got how many errors? 8 errors. Modifier static not allowed here, 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 not allowed here. Okay, and also not allowed to abstract. That's it. So this is the program you have to try. Okay, next, to what programming element static keyword is allowed? Static keyword is allowed to import statement. Static keyword allowed to class level field, class level block, method, and of course main method, and also inner classes. Okay, if you create interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum, annotation as enclosing class, inner class, class level inner class, it is allowed. Okay, na? So I want you to write this program, write on this. Yeah, write on this program. Below program shows below program shows the programming elements to which static keyword is allowed. Yeah, star compulsory. Yeah. All you completed? Shall we go next point? So static keyword related point completed, right? Hope all you people comfortable. Now tell me. Next point I want to talk. What is a static member? Okay. What is a static member? Why static member? How many static member Java support? For the use of each static member. Okay, what is a static member? What is a static member? You have to answer. Let me delete this one. Just let me keep it. Yeah. First topic completed. What is a static? Why static? Rules of static. Next, what is a static member and why static member? Now, bolo. I want you to answer this question. Now, what is a static member? A member. A member. Okay, member. Where you created? Inside method or inside a class? A member that is created inside a class. A member, a variable or method that is created inside a class with the keyword static is called static member. Okay, a member that is created inside a class with the keyword static is called static member. Right? First point, right? What is a static member? A member in place of created, you can write technical word declared. Write down this program. Completed. Shall I go next point? Tell me what the use of static member. A static member is used for providing one copy memory, right? A static member is used for providing one copy memory to store value and execute logic common to all objects. Okay, write down that point. Okay, 1 minute. Where static memory is allowed. Next question, write down. Where static memory is allowed. Where static memory is allowed to create. Just now you learn, tell me where static memory is allowed to create. Static memories belongs to class, right? A static member is belongs to a class. So we are allowed to create static member only inside a class. If we create a static member inside a method, constructor or block, we will get compile time error. Tell me, here I am trying to write static int a equal to 10. Any error here? Inside class I created, no problem. Static int b equal to 20. Any error here? Yes, inside M1 method not allowed. Compile throw error. Completed? Next. Here write compile time error, illegal start of expression. We'll get compile time error, illegal start of expression. ISC, illegal start of expression. If you do any mistake inside a method, compiler throw error this, because inside a method we write logic. Logic is nothing but expression. Next, right? What is the purpose of static member? Next, right now, what is the purpose of static member? What is the purpose of static member? A static member is used for providing one copy memory for storing value and executing logic. Common to all objects of a class. Completed? Okay, next, how many static members Java supports? And now, based on the statement, you can talk how many static member Java supports. A static member is used for storing value. If you want to store value, we need variable. Number one, static variable. Next, for executing logic. What logic we have? Two logics I told, initialization logic and business logic. For executing initialization logic, we have static block. For executing business logic, we have static method. And to start the class logic execution, we have main method. And to represent inner object of outer object, we have static inner class. From Java 5 version onwards, note, okay, these are the 5 static members. So Java supports Java supports 5 static members. From Java 5 version onwards, 5 static members creation in a class. Five version onwards, we can also create, we can also add, don't say declare, we can also add static keyword to import statement. It is called this feature is called static import. Our favorite day. Completed? Shall I go next slide? Now I want you to write this directly. SI static import, SV static variable, SB static block, SM static method, MM main method, SIC static inner. Completed? Now, can you explain something about what the use of static import? What is static import? Why static import? A import statement that has static keyword is called static import. It is used for accessing static variable and static method of the imported class without using class name. Tell me, if you want to access out variable of system class, how we are writing system.out.println. right? System dot out dot println we are writing. Then in place of, if you want to access out variable directly without using class system, then you can use import statement. Directly we can write out dot println, out dot println, out dot println. Okay. If you want to access static variable, static methods of a class directly by their name from other classes, we will use static import. Next, what the use of static variable? What is a static variable? What the use of static variable? A variable that is declared with the keyword static is called static variable. It is used for providing one copy memory to store value common to all objects. Okay. The next, what the use of static block? What is a static block? A nameless block, open bracket, closed bracket, is called nameless block. A nameless block, just to open bracket, closed bracket, declared inside a class with just keyword static is called what? Static block. It is used for executing some logic when class is loaded into JVM, and also used for initializing static variables. Next, what the use of static method? What is a static method? What the use of static method? A method that is declared with the keyword static is called static method. It is used for executing it is used for developing business logic to execute without using object. Okay. Next, what is a main method? Main method is just, it's a user defined method which is automatically executed by JVM. Main method is the initial point of class logic execution. It is used for starting a class execution by JVM as a standalone application. Very important. As a standalone application, if you want to run a class, we must use main method. Then what is a static kernel class? A class that is declared inside another class with the keyword static is called static kernel class. It is used for representing one inner object of an outer object and creating it instance without using outer class object. All points I have mentioned clearly. Can you please write down all these points? Okay, point by point clearly I have written. Now is the time you have to write all these points. Right. So write down all these points and you can leave for the day. Okay. Please write and go. Don't take screenshot and go. Write and go. Very important. I'm giving time now. Write and leave. Tomorrow we will try to develop project by using all these programming elements. One big project, bank project, we will develop by using all these programming elements. Okay. So today I want you write, and whatever I have explained in today class, every point I want you by heart and come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll ask somebody, anyone in the class, I will ask you to unmute and talk. So that's why get ready by heart and come. Okay. Don't take screenshot and go. Write and then go. So that's all for today class. And after writing, you can leave for the class.